In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple yet super sturdy clothes rack out of just 4 materials. This is part of a larger project where I'm redoing our master bathroom, so if this interests you, make sure you follow along. Alright, let's get started. We have 3 5-foot sections of 1/2-inch black pipe. Using one of the sections of black pipe, we're going to connect 2 90-degree elbows, and this is going to give us our width for our clothes rack. Now, using an 8-foot 2x4, we're going to cut 2 16-inch sections. These are going to be our legs for our rack to give it stability. Next, we need to combine the legs we just made with the base of the clothes rack, and I'm going to do that with pocket screws. Now, you could use dowels. You could even overlap the wood on top of the legs, and that would work as well if you don't have these fancy tools. The remaining 2 sections of black pipe become the legs. They attach to that 90-degree elbow, and the other end connects to this closet flange here, which is going to secure to our base. Our kitty cat Marshmallow is pretty impressed with the final product, and I am too. It's pretty sturdy. If I wanted it to be stronger, I could use 3/4-inch pipe. But for about $40, this is a lot of value in here. And when I'm done, I'm going to take it apart and then use it for a built-in closet rack in the bathroom. Like and subscribe. We'll see you.